So I noticed these old lanterns, but this one doesn't look quite as old as the rest. Let me check it out. I wonder if I could take this guy home and maybe try to restore it. So I found this old lantern out here in the barn. Actually, I knew there was a few lanterns and stuff hanging out here. There's also a bunch of horseshoes and some other old stuff that has just been out in this barn for years. But I got to thinking, you know, this might make a cool video trying to maybe restore this thing. It's a Coleman. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a Coleman. What does it say? Coleman Quick Light. It's pretty old and dingy, as you can tell from hanging up in that barn. This valve here is pretty tight. It'll turn, but I don't want to break it. I've read up on these before, and apparently on the bottom sometimes you can find a stamp that has like a serial number on it, and I'm not seeing any numbers anywhere. I'm not seeing a number on the bottom, so it's either been painted over or it might be old enough that it was before they started doing serial numbers. The plunger, I tried the plunger, but it doesn't seem to be building any pressure. It's kind of loose, so there may be like a kit I need to fix that up, but I'm kind of wondering if I can, you know, clean all this grime off. I might be able to make it look pretty nice. Sounds like there's a little fuel in there, so I'm sure this thing hasn't been started in 30 plus years. It's been hanging there as long as I can remember, so I think I'd like to take it apart and try to restore it. Clean it up a little bit and see if I can get it going. It's a pretty cool old lantern. Keep an eye on the channel and you might see a video series on getting this thing cleaned up.